Hi, I'm Petra Hilleberg. I am here with the Kaitum GT, and I want to show you how to roll the whole front of the Kaitum GT and also the Nallo GT and roll that to the side. First, loosen the peg tensioners on the front of the vestibule and remove the rings from the pegs. I sometimes leave the pegs where they are so that if I have to put the vestibule back in place because of rain or wind, I have the pegs already in place. But if I'm going to leave it rolled away for a longer period of time, I take the pegs away. After taking the rings off of the pegs, undo the door band that goes underneath the door. Undo the toggle at the very top of the zipper flap and open the zipper all the way to its end. Gather the vestibule and start rolling. The wire in the vent hood is flexible and you can easily roll it. Just make sure to straighten and smooth out the wire when you pull the vestibule out again. Roll the vestibule all the way to the side of the tent, then use the top toggle to secure it. That bottom toggle is the one for the large door on the side of the GT vestibule. If you feel that the tent is not as stretched out as you want it, move the guy lines forward so they come straight out from the poles.